If you like this kind of video, please also leave it on the comment section. Let me know if I will do more of this video. Cut. Hi loves, welcome back. It's your girl Styled by Uma. Halloween is around the corner. Yay! So guys, I'm super excited to create something fun, something smoky, something stylish this year. But guess what? I can't do this on my own. So I'm going to be posting a lot of costume idea, Halloween costume idea on the screen for you guys to pick. But first of all, let's appreciate this beautiful dress. Come on guys, let's appreciate this dress. This is so beautiful, and I'm going to be posting a video of this dress after my Halloween series. So this week that we're coming in, if you're watching like now, I will be posting from Monday. I'm going to be posting a series of the costume that we are going to be picking on this video. So I'll be posting I'm going to be posting a series of how I create this Halloween costume. You all know how we did it last year. So if you've not seen some of my Halloween idea costume on my YouTube channel, please do it to check those videos out. I will also drop a link on that video on my description box for you to check out, okay? So if you probably want to make a Halloween this year and you want to pick for the ones that we made last year, which is Montisha, Adam, and the other one, please check the link. I have a detailed video on how you can make one for yourself. So without further ado, let's all check the ones we have for this year. Are you excited? Because I am super excited. So for this segment, I'll be looking through my phone because this are where I have some of this costume idea that I would want to make for you guys this year. So here are the options that I have, and if you want us to recreate any of this option, all you have to do is to state it on the comment section, and I'll do where to create one. I think the highest or the most picked will be the one that we're going to recreate. Or if not, I'm just going to randomly pick one, but I would love us to engage on the comment section. Number one, I'll be making the glam witch. So I'll be leaving a picture behind on what the glam witch is or what it looks like here or there, I don't know, but I'm gonna leave a picture here. So this is what glam witch looks like. Okay, then this number two, I'm going to be making a dark fairy. Oh my god, if this is something you want us to recreate this year, please leave a comment below and let's see. You wouldn't know, we'll just pick your own as it. Okay, so the third one is the vampire queen. Oh my god. So if you want me to recreate the vampire queen, this is the picture of what the vampire queen looks like. Let me know in the comments section so we know if we're going to make that. Okay, the next one is the punky princess. Oh my god, this is the picture of a punky princess, and if this is something you pick, let me know on the comment section. Then the fifth one is the ghost bride, the ghost bride, and this is the picture of the ghost bride. If this is something you want us to recreate, please let me know on the comment section. Then the seventh one is the prom queen. I don't know if you've seen that movie, but this is the picture of what the prom queen looks like. Okay, if this is something you want us to recreate this year, please leave a comment below, guys. So the next one that we are going to make is the prison wear. So I'm going to leave a picture below. I'm going to be leaving a picture here. So this is what the prison look looks like. If you want me to go to jail, please leave a comment below and I'm going to create a costume on that. Okay, so the other one that we're going to be recreating is Gossip Girl, which is, I don't know number that I am, I think number 8, Gossip Girl. So if you want us to recreate Gossip Girl as our costume this year, this is the picture of Gossip Girl. You don't talk about Gossip Girl when you don't mention these two characters, which is Blair Waldorf and Serena. If this is something you want us to recreate on If you want us to recreate this costume, please leave a comment below. If you want us to recreate Chucky, this is the picture of Chucky that I have in mind. If you want us to recreate this Chucky look, please leave a comment below. Number 10 costume idea is Wednesday. This is the last but not the least. Okay, so I met the mother last year and I was the mother and I mothered the mother. So if you want us to recreate Wednesday this year, please leave a comment below on the comment section and I will just randomly pick one or two, and we're going to be creating two costumes this year. But I'll be dropping a series of those costumes on here from Monday. So I'll post from Monday to Friday on the costume. Then we'll go live on Saturday on putting on the outfit. Okay. So if this video was helpful or you find the costume idea that you want to recreate this year, please leave a comment below, and please do it to subscribe to my channel and turn off your notification bell so you know when I upload new video. And I will see you guys on my next one. Bye guys. Bye bye. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. I'm so excited. Oh my god. If you like this kind of video, please also leave it on the comment section. Let me know if I will do more of this video. Would you like to see my outfits? Uh cut.